Have you ever noticed how success rarely comes from one big moment, but from small choices repeated every day? Most people think success requires massive motivation, perfect timing, or hours of effort. But the truth is simpler. Success begins with 1 minute. 1 minute sounds too small to matter. But history, psychology, and real life all tell the same story. Small disciplines repeated daily lead to great achievements over time. Right now, you don't need more motivation. You don't need a new plan. You don't need a fresh start next Monday. You need a small habit you can start today. Because big goals don't fail from lack of talent. They fail because people never stay consistent. And consistency is built in minutes, not hours. Habit 1, the 1-minute start. The hardest part of anything is starting. Your brain resists effort, not because you're weak, but because it's designed to seek comfort. So don't fight your brain, outsmart it. Tell yourself, I'll do this for just 1 minute. 1 minute of writing, 1 minute of exercise, 1 minute of learning. That's it. Most of the time, once you start, you continue. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Success tip: never aim to finish. Aim to start. Habit 2, 1 minute of clarity. Every morning or night, take 1 minute and ask yourself one question. What is the one thing that matters most today? Write it down. Not 10 goals, not a long to-do list, just one priority. Clarity removes overwhelm, and overwhelm is the enemy of progress. You don't lack time, you lack clarity. Success tip: if everything feels important, nothing gets done. Choose one thing and commit to it. Habit 3, 1 minute of discipline. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. For 1 minute each day, do something uncomfortable on purpose. Stand up when you want to sit. Read when you want to scroll. Move when you want to rest. It's not about intensity, it's about identity. Every action you take is a vote for the person you're becoming. Success tip: train discipline when it's easy, so it's available when life gets hard. Habit 4, 1 minute of learning. The most successful people never stop learning. 1 minute of reading, 1 minute of listening, 1 minute of reflection. That's all it takes. Knowledge compounds just like money. An investment in yourself always pays the best interest. Success tip: you don't need more information. You need consistent exposure to the right information. Habit 5, 1 minute of gratitude and reset. Before you sleep, pause for 1 minute. Acknowledge one thing you did well, one lesson you learned, one reason to be grateful. This rewires your mind from pressure to progress. Gratitude turns what you have into enough. Success tip: progress feels invisible day to day, but powerful when you look back. The bigger truth: success doesn't come from doing everything at once. It comes from doing something small every day. 1 minute becomes 5. 5 becomes 30. And suddenly, your life looks different, not because you waited for motivation, but because you acted before it arrived. You don't rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your habits.